Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your color lock in your Google form. So if you're using the template, then we already have this response validation built in, but if you're not, you're going to click on these three dots right here, and then you're going to say response validation, and this part will appear. Okay, now I also have the description checked as well. That is where I write this information right here about the colors. So red is a capital R, orange is a capital O, yellow is a capital Y, green is a capital G, blue is a capital B, and purple is a capital P. And then of course you can change those if you would like to do different colors. But right here for the response validation, you want to make sure that this says regular expression. And then you want to make sure that the next one says matches. And then right here is where you're going to write your answer. So in this case, my answer is orange, red, and yellow. And so this is the answer. And then right here is where you put, if they type in the incorrect answer, what will appear. And so right here, my error text says still locked.